When it's time to clean or replace your windshield wiper blades, you may notice that on some Toyota models, the wiper arms are tucked beneath the edge of the hood, making it difficult to lift. Fortunately, Toyota has a built-in maintenance mode that raises the wiper arms into a service position, giving you easy access to the blades for cleaning or replacement. Here's how to activate it. With the vehicle running, turn the engine off. Then, within 5 seconds, push and hold the wiper control stalk in the upward position. After a few moments, the wiper arms will move into their service position and stop. Once they're raised, you'll have easy access to the wiper blades for cleaning or replacement. When you're finished, place the wiper arms back against the windshield and start the vehicle. The wiper arms will automatically return to their normal resting position. We're always adding more helpful and interesting videos to your channel, so remember to like and subscribe so you can stay ahead and get the most out of your vehicle.